Hashtag Ladakh is happening in September. It is an intensive social media masterclass designed as a luxury bootcamp. Who is it for? Specifically created for absolute beginners in the social media space. If you have a startup, if you are somebody who wants to be a freelancer, want to become a social media manager, or you are a CEO of an old business and have finally woken up to the power of social media, well then, Hashtag Ladakh is exactly the program designed for you. So what it is that you will be learning in Hashtag Ladakh? We will deep dive into understanding the most popular social media platforms. What works? What does not work? When should you post? Photo, video, audio, text, GIF. What is awesome on social media? What can be avoided? How do you create a campaign? How do you reach out to the optimum audience for your brand? I know this sounds a lot, but trust me, the plan that we have created for all of you, it is customized for your individual needs. And after these 7 days, you would be trained into one of the finest social media ninjas out there. So we have designed this for a small intimate groups. We've already got loads of applications coming in, very few seats left. The last date is 1st of September because after that we need to create that customized program for you. So send in your entry right away. Any more questions? This is the place to ask it. See you guys at Hashtag Ladakh.